Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video I'll be showing you how you can make this pancake meat filling. This is very easy recipe. This is another way you can make your pancake and it tastes awesome. Okay, you can see very juicy and so yummy. Please watch to the end to know how you can do yours. You can see it looks very appetizing. Here I'm using 4 cups of milk, 2 eggs, sugar. I'll be mixing all ingredients together and I'll be adding my flour. I will sieve everything. So remember to sieve your flour so that there will be no seed on your mixture. I added salt. Okay, in this recipe of this pancake, I added less sugar because I want the sugar and the salt to be balanced. I added the remaining milk. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Here I'm greasing my pan and I'll wipe it off. So I add my batter to cook it. Please remember to use low heat when making your pancake. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I really appreciate all you do for me. Thank you. So you can see I finished the whole crepes. So you can see I did so many. So now it's making the cream sauce. So I use 3 cups of milk. I added the oregano and chicken powder with all-purpose flour. I'll be listing out all the ingredients that I use for this recipe, so feel free to check it out on my description. Now I'll be cooking the sauce with onion and butter. So I'll put it in. So I'll cook it until it thickens up. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. And also, please always click on the notification so that anytime I post my video, you will be among the first to see it. So you can see it's already thickens up, so I'm pouring it out inside this cup. So now I'm preparing the meat sauce. So I added the oil with onion and I'll add my minced beef. So you can use any meat of your choice for this recipe. So I added my mixed ingredients, so it's up to you. Whatever taste you like, you can use it to cook it. So I added my tomato sauce. You can see this is very easy recipe and I know you will like it and you will enjoy it. Here I use the bell pepper for this as my vegetable. So remember to like my video. Please like it, comment, and please share. Okay, don't just watch, like it, comment, and please share. So now I'm ready for filling it in. So I added the cream first and I'll add my meat sauce. So I hope you will get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can do it. It tastes so yummy. So this is another different way you can make your pancake. And it's like another easiest method to make your lasagna. So that's it. So I'll use the cream to top it up. So I'm using the cheese to coat it all. So you can see this is very easy recipe. I'll bake it for 10 minutes. So I hope you get to try this recipe. Wow, this is after baking. You can see it looks so yummy. Wow, so juicy. So hope you will try this method of making pancake in another form. This is very easy. So try it and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.